Okay, this is a radio audio file of the portable radio when it powers up. It makes a beep tone and then it says what channel you're on. You'll hear it when it comes on.
Golf.
I'll get a better one.
Golf.
Okay, it's saying golf, as in TAC channel 1 golf. I'll dial you through and you can get the gist of how it sounds.
Foxtrot. Echo. Delta. Charlie. Bravo. Fire dispatch. Charlie. Echo. Foxtrot. Golf.
So that's the sounds of when we change the channel. Now, I'm just giving some background, probably more than you need. This is the sound that the radio makes when you key the handset. And this is very important.
Dispatch engine 43.
Okay. Let's do that again without the radio chatter.
Foxtrot.
All right, here we go. This sound right here. That tone. When the microphone is depressed, that's the sound we need to hear. Okay.